Hi, hello, welcome. This is Monisha Trivarangan. In this video, we are going to learn about HFT. What is HFT? HFT is also known as high frequency trading. This high frequency trading is a subset of algorithmic trading. Use of high speed technology co-location is part of it. HFT systems use algorithms to analyze markets and spot emerging trends in a fraction of a second. HFT is a very short-term trade, so anyone can trade. It's a large volume stock high profits. My point is algorithmic is called as high frequency trading. HFT that uses computer programs to potentially initiate many traders at once are millions of traders per day. HFT utilizes a very short time frame of often seconds and attempts to make micro profits many times a day or even per minute. This type of trading can also be done by individuals on a smaller scale strategies. So the next one is how high frequency trading firm works. HFT firms generally use private money, private technology and a number of private strategies to generate profit. This high frequency trading firms can be divided into three firms. First one is proprietary trading, second one is subsidiary and the third one is broker dealer. These HFT firms are segregative about their way of operating and key to success. HFT is based on strategies. There are three types of strategies. First one is statistical arbitrage. Second one is index arbitrage. Third one is merger arbitrage. So what is arbitrage? Arbitrage is the process of buying and selling of an asset from different platforms. Now let's see the strategies one by one. First we see statistical arbitrage. This statistical arbitrage helpful of ultra fast transactions. This is when one security moves away from its typical correlations with another's. Algorithms may short the ETF and then buy the index to exploit the difference. Next one is index arbitrage. This strategy of index arbitrage is at the heart of program trading. This arbitrage is executed by buying the relatively lower priced strategy and selling the higher priced strategies. This is not limited to high frequency traders, as retail investors do it as well. When the stock is added to an index, the index need to buy shares of that stocks. Last strategy is merger arbitrage. Merger arbitrage is also known as risk arbitrage. Merger arbitrage is an investment strategy whereby investors purchase the stocks of merging companies. A merger arbitrage takes advantage of market inefficiency surrounding mergers and acquisitions. So the next one is benefits of HFT. HFT creates high liquidity and the effects of market fragmentations. HFT assists us in the price discovery and price formation process as it is based on large number of orders. Now we can see HFT risk. Algorithm HFT has a number of risks. The one of the biggest risk is the potential of amplify systematic risk. The systematic risk is in market code with server built equipment. By using HFT, we may suffer a denial of service. Denial of service means we can send too many orders to the market venue at the same time. So there is a chance may happen that Enhance is unable to process all the traders immediately. Next one, HFT management. HFT is methods of trading. It uses complex algorithm to analyze multiple market and execute orders based on market conditions. HFT management, powerful computer program to transact a large number of orders in fraction of a second. Top HFT firms in India are Tower Research, Dolit Group, API, Open Futures and etc. Next one is high frequency trading orders. High frequency trading includes 4 types of HFT orders. First one is market order, second one is hope for bargains, third one is join the maker, fourth one is reserve orders. Next one, advantage and disadvantage in HFT. First we see advantage. High frequency enhance the liquidity in the market, which means we can easily able to convert our asset into a cash. HFT clearly increases competition in the market as traders are executed faster and the volume of traders significantly increases. Then, disadvantages of HFT. High frequency trading giving the unfair advantages for large firms against smaller institutions and investors. So it is impossible thus for smaller investor to compete with high frequency trader. Any prescriptive new rules could increase the cost of trading. It can also harm other investors that hold a long-term strategy and buy or sell in bulk. This high frequency trading is profitable or not? Yes. High frequency trading is undertaken using complex algorithms and powerful computers, so it is highly profitable for traders. So finally, share market is a big platform. High frequency is one of the part in share market. This high frequency is method of trading, then you can do for best strategies in HFT. You can build with your best and own strategies. Must be you choose good server and demat. And it is highly profitable, so anyone can trade. Finally, my point of view, high frequency trading method is best way of financial conditions and business rules. So this is all about HFT, high frequency trading. Thank you.